looks good.
All right, you explain to us what we got in front of us. They don't know, but explain what we got in front of them.
Lipstick on a pig.
There we go.
That's what we got.
Yeah, see, he's already slamming himself. This thing right here is not a pig. Well, we hope not. It was. It was
kind of a pig.
Yeah.
That is true.
Blowing itself up, it's a pig.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no way around it.
Whatever.
Yeah.
You're a piece of shit.
So, anyways, the thing that I was wanting to show y'all was in my last in videos previous, we had a big thing going up, but the thing that we had most was Devin. He had the bright idea that we should just destroy the Vette, just make it a drift car, like just completely total it. So what we ended up doing was we put twin turbos on it because that was the logical thing.
Yeah.
Also, these are turbos that came off of my car, and I don't know, wasn't there a lot of the pipe off my car? Yeah. There you go. Well, okay, explain what you did, because you're the one who did it. You know a lot of the intricacies of it.
So I ended up just reusing most of the turbo kit that came from Adam's Fox, and it was kind of a pain because I had to cut it all apart and cut out all the welds and everything. But
and all the, remember the wastegate?
yeah, cut all the wastegate stuff off.
Yeah.
But I think it turned out pretty decent.
Yeah, it looks killer. You can't beat that right there. And we got a scavenge in here. We got a scavenge pump in here because these things are exceptionally low. And we also, look, I don't even think they knew this. Yeah, these are the headers that came off of it. These things are absolutely tiny. You can see them. So what was this, like a inch and?
I think they're inch and a half.
Yeah, inch and a half. And we ended up putting inch and like I think it was.
Inch and 7/8.
Yeah, I'm saying inch 7/8 sounds right. I don't want to say that though. Yeah, so we put bigger heads on it. These are, oh my gosh.
Robbie Drawn.
Yep. I'm trying to think. They're 283 cc's, I think, is what they are.
I don't remember. They're big.
Yeah, they're
They float.
Them over there. Yeah. No, these are some mans right here. We let's see. Like I said, we moved the turbo that was right here, 88 that was right there. Which also had problems.
Yep.
Had the shaft was. Yeah. So it was starting to touch down inside of it. So we gave it to him, so he can do what he wants with it. Mm. And let's see, you did the turbo kit right here. You did a killer job on the inside. You need to move. What are you, new? Wait a minute. I forgot. Is that how you do it?
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Jesus, you can tell I haven't been around this darn thing. On the inside, we ended up putting an M&M in it that is CO2 operated. That thing shoots like butter. That thing is butter right there.
Sitting on the ground there.
Yeah. That thing is butter. And how'd you feel about that right there?
I was freaking out a little bit, you know.
That right there.
I wouldn't have cut it.
I wouldn't have cut it.
The balls would be cutting on this.
You darn
I
right.
measured like 6 times. The bumper, when I cut the bumper out for the downpipes, I was like, eh.
Yeah,
whatever.
well, yeah.
And then this, I measured it like 6 times, and
Yeah.
well, and the hatch swings up, so I drilled the whole
Well,
string
here,
down.
show them.
Yeah, sure.
Show them. You made it. This was the last thing you did right here.
It's a little, it moves a little bit, but it needs to move,
It
so
needs
you can.
to, yeah.
Yeah.
Put
We're
the
also gonna
hatch
put a thing around it, cause.
Mesh net.
All right. Let's see what we got. Butter. Look at that. That looks awesome. When you made that last night out of nothing.
Mm-hmm.
That looks good. And how did you do? How did you do it on the inside over here? Oh yeah.
Just 2 rib nuts. I took this whole piece
right
out
there. Yep.
and put 2 rib nuts in it,
Yep.
so we can get it out easy.
Baffled it. Yeah.
Yep.
That is nice. Nice.
And I took pictures. I didn't take many pictures of the process, but I took pictures of the whole process of this, so we can
Yeah,
throw
you're gonna have
those
to
in
send
the.
us everything that you got.
Yeah.
picture-wise.
Put it in our
And
album.
we can throw those in the video too.
Yeah. Yeah. Put them right there.
Because I definitely want to show the progression of the car.
Yeah. This progression is pretty. And we still got stuff to do, like right here. That.
One cage.
Whatever that is.
Well, we're gonna put a funny car cage in it. And
Yep.
redo
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend this up.
the inside
so it fits right here and along here. And then finish the welds. Put the funny car cage back because that is way too far out. And then obviously finish the funny car cage. So that's what we got so far right now. I mean, you can tell by the front of the car, it's just dismantled. It's not because he destroyed it. We took the bumper off because the bumper was getting eaten up when you put the fuel in. It was starting to fade away in the paint, and the paint didn't match. And then the hood was a completely different color of white. So, and then this fender right here had the turbo, and the turbo was coming out with like a 5-inch hole. So Dylan at Danny's Auto Body is gonna be the one painting it and filling that hole right there, or covering that hole up and having it all one color. And then it'll look good with our new headlights. If this works after a few passes, I was shocked. I mean, utterly shocked.
Why?
I don't know. What's it held together by? What, duct tape and RTV? That light is right. That one's completely right. This one took us.
What we did wrong.
Yeah, that one took us maybe 5 minutes. That one took us maybe 2 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe you don't want to admit that, but that took us a lot longer than we thought. Yeah, but this right here, unbelievable. I mean, I hope it sounds as good as it looks, because if it does, Jesus, that's it. They're in for a treat.
The 6s.
Oh yeah, running the 6s.
And the 8s.
Yeah, now. Yeah, but we're gonna get it loaded up. We still got some wiring we got to do. We're gonna take this pipe off, get him to weld a back pressure reference on it, get the dome wired in right here, and the O2, which is down here, which we might need to move, might not. It's right where the what'd you call that, dump collector?
The dump merges.
Yeah.
The dump pipe.
Yeah, we might need to move that, but we need to get it all wired in. And the last thing is,
Well, we gotta put spark plug wires. I'm
yeah,
gonna order the right
change some wires and stuff. And mount the oil thing up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go right here with these, not these, but a set of them, and go down with 45s. You know, and because we got the heat shields and stuff, we'll just lay them around.
Yeah, should be fine.
45 should be fine.
Yeah, I see what you're saying now. That makes pretty good
Yeah,
sense.
because 90s won't work on it.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yep, well, we're gonna get it loaded up and get this beaut home and start cranking on it. Because you've cranked on enough. I know you're tired of seeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to see this car no more.
Which I just realized we forgot to give you your motor. That's okay. We'll
I know
get
where you
it.
guys
He
live.
knows where we live.
Yeah, well, it'd have been, you know.
And there's no water in it, so there's no.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, and we took the water out of this, obviously. There's no radiator anymore. We also had that water problem. We're just going to exclude that completely. So if I lift the head, it ain't the water. It's you.
Mm-hmm.
And it ain't you. It definitely, it ain't what did you do again? The,
He tapped and put new helicals.
helicals in
Yeah,
it. That's
helicals.
right. Yeah, I couldn't think of a word.
What,
Yeah.
6 of them?
It was like almost the
That's
two
probably
two
what happened.
bottom and middle rows,
That's
ain't
probably
it?
what happened to the head.
Yeah.
It stripped it.
Because
Yeah.
that whole side torqued fine, and then this whole side pretty much 6 out of the 10 threads ripped out of the block, so we had to helicoil them all.
Yeah, not a good deal.
Time shot.
Yeah. So
Gosh.
we're gonna get it loaded up and we're gonna get it home, and then we'll start getting cranking because it's gonna be our slick car for just slick events going around here and maybe good front side stuff.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave you with that, and we're gonna get it home. So we forgot to mention, or we forgot to add. What are you wanting to do? That's why you did this.
Oh yeah, I'm wanting to start like a little side hustle,
Mhm.
build turbo kits and stuff like that. I don't know if I want to do like chassis work or anything.
Not
at the
venture out
moment.
that far yet.
Yeah, after I did the cage on my truck, I'm good. Chassis work kind of sucks. But yeah, I'm thinking maybe do a little side business, build turbo kits for people and exhausts and intakes and stuff like that.
You do a heck of a job.
And
Good
stuff
lord.
that I can knock out and
Yeah. What can you weld?
everything.
Everything. There you go. That narrows it.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
guess I can make a pretty good burn down box too, so
Out of scratch, yeah.
maybe I'll make those for people.
Yeah, those are good. There's a lot of stuff. Even if you didn't do cage, there's a lot of stuff like headers and things like that.
Yeah, I'd like to get into building headers too.
Yeah, or repairs. Yeah. So go check him out because he does a killer job. And this, well, we already took it apart, so we had to finish some stuff. But this, it just looks absolutely beautiful. So hit him up. Awesome.
Cheap, he's free.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, no, that's not true.
That's not true at all.
Yeah, but he does a killer job. Hit him up. Work speaks for itself. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. So we're gonna get it loaded and see you guys in the next one.